Good afternoon, students. From today, we have started the chemistry practicals. See, our chemistry subject for the board examination. Our chemistry subject is coming for the 100 marks, right? Out of this 100 marks, there is a 70 marks for the theory, and this theory part of chemistry is completed in last week, right? Your whole syllabus of chemistry theory paper is completed in the last week. There is a prelim exam. It started from the next week, right? So we have started the chemistry practical syllabus today. See here. There is a chemistry practical coming for the 30 marks. Then theory having the 70 marks and practical having the 30 marks. There is total 100 marks for the chemistry subject in board examination. Right? Then see here that chemistry practical is coming for the 30 marks. In this 30 marks, there are total 3 questions are there, and all questions having 10 marks each. Question number 1 is coming for total 10 marks. Then question number 2 is coming for total 10 marks. And question number 3 also coming for the 10 marks. Right? Question number 1 and 2, both are the compulsory questions. Your question number 1, see, I am telling some points regarding the chemistry practical examination for the board exam. In my last lecture, I am already telling you all will purchase the Balbharti chemistry practical notebook, because we are following this Balbharti chemistry practical notebook for the practicals. Right? Then see, in this Balbharti chemistry practical notebook, there is a question paper for the board practical examination is given. राइट? यहाँ पे मैं आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन के बारे में बताने वाली हूँ, क्योंकि एज कम्पेयर टू द लास्ट ईयर देर इज समथिंग न्यू कमिंग फ्रॉम दिस ईयर. Then see, your question number 1 contains the first point, journal. This journal, if your journal is completed and then certified by the teachers, you get full 5 marks. If you have the certified journal, you get the 5 marks in question number 1. Then second point, your second point is the viva or oral. This viva or oral is coming for the 5 marks. And this viva or oral is based on the experiments or the activity. See here. That second part of question number 1 is the viva or oral. And this viva and oral is coming for the 5 marks. That based on the experiments and activity. On which experiments and activity? That experiments you have completed in question number 2 and 3 for the board exam. The viva is asking on the experiments you have done in question number 2 and 3, or the activity. There are some students, they having the B part in question number 3, that is the activity or all these experiments coming for the board exam. Then viva is asking on these experiments. That depends on your table number, which questions are coming for you in the board exam. Clear? देन लास्ट ईयर तक वाइवा और ओरल सिर्फ 3 मार्क्स के लिए थी, लेकिन इस साल से वो 5 मार्क्स के लिए हो गई है, तो वो आप लोगों को रेडी रहना है। और लास्ट ईयर तक वाइवा सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट्स के ऊपर होता था, अभी तो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट आप लोगों को उस दिन आने वाले हैं उसके ऊपर वाइवा हो सकता है। तो जितने भी एक्सपेरिमेंट्स होंगे वो आप लोगों को अच्छे से पढ़ के रखने, और उनका थ्योरी भी, राइट। देन सी, due to the COVID-19 only the 60% of practicals for this year, so I think there is just 9 to 10 experiments are done for this year, and there is a 2 activity is completed for this year. That experiments are 9 and 2 activities are completed for this year. Then see, this is your question number 1 coming for the 10 marks. Then question number 2. This question number 2 is quantitative estimation. That is the titration. That is the titration of KMnO4 and FAS solution. Titration of KMnO4 and FAS solution. This is the compulsory question. All students having this question in your board practical examination titration for total 10 marks. Clear? So don't miss this titration experiment, all students. Then question number 1 and 2 are compulsory, but question number 3 having the optional questions. There are the optional that depends on your table number. Which question number 3 is given for you? For example, here is the 3 question 3s are written on blackboard. There is a first one, question number 3. We are taking the one experiment of chemical kinetic. ये जो केमिकल काइनेटिक का एक्सपेरिमेंट है ये पूरे 10 मार्क्स के लिए आता है क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में। ये जिनको रहेगा उनको बी पार्ट नहीं रहता। You only complete this chemical kinetic experiment. Same here, there is a second question 3, basic radical. Same this, to detect the 2 basic radicals from given organic mixture. This experiment is also coming for the 10 marks. इसके साथ आप लोगों को बी पार्ट नहीं रहेगा। जिन स्टूडेंट को ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आएंगे दोनों, जिसके ऊपर आप लोगों का टिकिंग रहेगा वही आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में करना है। क्लियर? Then there is a third question number 3. This is the one type that having capital A and capital B. In this question number 3, that A part is coming for the 6 marks and B part is coming for the 4 marks. इस क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में B पार्ट में आप लोगों को see in this question number 3 there is a part is coming from these experiments, थर्मो एक्सपेरिमेंट्स लेने वाले हम लोग, देन एसिडिक रेडिकल का एक्सपेरिमेंट लेने वाले और एक ऑर्गेनिक या इनऑर्गेनिक प्रिपरेशन लेने वाले। देन बी पार्ट में आप लोगों के पास 2 ही ऑप्शन बचते हैं दैट हैविंग द 4 मार्क्स, वन इज फंक्शनल ग्रुप एंड सेकंड इज द एक्टिविटी। क्लियर? जस्ट आप लोगों को इंट्रोडक्शन देना था प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन का, ताकि आप लोग पहले से ही अभी घर पे हो तो जो जो एक्सपेरिमेंट ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिखे थोड़ा इंडिकेट हो रहा है कि कौन से रहेंगे, तो उनका थ्योरी या वो पढ़ के रखो, क्योंकि बुक्स तो सबने खरीद के रखे रहेंगे अभी। क्लियर? दिस इज अबाउट द केमिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिकल एग्जामिनेशन। देन फ्रॉम टुडे वी आर स्टार्टेड द केमिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिकल सिलेबस and there are 2 activities completed in today's session. Here is the activity number 6. This activity number 6 is on page number 130. Is on page number 130 in Bal Bharti chemistry notebook. Right? Then what is this activity? See here. Under this activity there is some points. First is the aim to prepare standard solution of 100 ml of 0.1 molar ferrous ammonium sulfate to prepare the 100 ml of 0.1 molar FAS. This ferrous ammonium sulfate is also known as Mohr's salt. This is your aim. Second point, there are some apparatus needed for this activity. First one, see here. This is the very important apparatus used to prepare the standard solution, 100 ml of volumetric flask. This volumetric flask is also known as measuring flask. Second, you require the 100 ml of beaker, then glass rod for dissolving the FAS in distilled water. Next, funnel. Next, you require the electronic balance for the weighing. And next, you require the pipette. Then, which chemicals are required for this activity? First chemical, ferrous ammonium sulfate FAS. Second chemical, distilled water. And third chemical, dilute H2SO4. Why there is a need of dilute H2SO4? Because if you add 2-3 drops of dilute H2SO4, you get the clear solution of FAS. Clear? Then see here, you prepare the 100 ml of 0.1 molar FAS. Then see here, according to the theory, for the 100 ml of 1 molar FAS solution, you require the 392 gram of FAS. This is the molecular weight of FAS, 392. Again repeat, to prepare 1000 ml, that is 1 liter. To prepare 1 liter of 1 molar FAS, you require 392 gram of FAS. Then, we are preparing the 100 ml of FAS and molarity is also different, that is 0.1 molar. So, which quantity you take to prepare the solution? How you find out the weight of FAS? Here is the formula. Here is the formula. Weight of FAS equal to, there is a cross multiplication, 100 into 0.1 into 392 divided by 1000 into 1. 1000 into 1. Right? You get 3.92 gram. This is the weight of FAS to prepare 0.1 molar FAS of 100 ml. Clear? You all know the formula of molarity. Then from this molarity formula, you calculate here. This is the weight of compound you calculated from this formula. Then there is a procedure for this activity is given. Then after the procedure, there is a result or conclusion is written. But there is no written under result. You write this sentence in the result or conclusion. The standard solution of 100 ml of 0.1 molar FAS is prepared. You write all students this result or conclusion. The standard solution of 100 ml of 0.1 molar FAS is prepared. Right? This is the theoretical explanation under the activity number 6 to prepare the standard solution of 100 ml of 0.1 molar FAS. Now I will show the demonstration for the activity number 6. Right? Now see student, we have started the demonstration of activity number 6 to prepare standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate. See here, this is your chemistry practical notebook. Right? This is a बाल भारती केमिस्ट्री प्रैक्टिकल नोटबुक. ये आप लोगों को सबने खरीद के रखा रहेगा. राइट? In this बाल भारती chemistry practical notebook, your activity number 6 is given on page number 130. We are completed this activity today. Right? Theoretical explanation में आप लोगों को ये सब बता दिया है मैंने. There is the result. Here is not written in the handbook. मैंने आप लोगों को लिखने के लिए बोला है, तो वैसे ही रिजल्ट आप लोगों को यहाँ पे लिखना है. देन स्टार्टेड द डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन ऑफ एक्टिविटी नंबर 6. Then first I am showing how to weigh the chemicals on the electronic balance. See here, this is your electronic balance, and in this electronic balance there is a red button is here. Now first press this red button, then wait for some time. Now on this electronic balance you see there is a 0.000 is here, right? Then there is a first button is there and second button is 0. जब भी आप लोग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस के ऊपर कुछ भी वेट करोगे तो आप लोगों को सिर्फ 0 का बटन दबाना है. क्लियर? देन सी हियर वी आर वेइंग द 3.920 ग्राम ऑफ FAS to prepare the standard solution. First I keep the rub paper on the balance. There is some weight of rub paper, show the balance. Then first press the 0 button to omit the weight of paper. Then you get the 0.000. Then you started the weighing of FAS. Then add FAS slowly. We require the 3.920. Then starting में अगर आप लोग ले लेते हो 1 और 2 ग्राम, तो बाद में आप लोगों को स्लो एडिशन करना है. Right? Here is your 3.280. Then add slowly to becomes 3.920. For the preparation of standard solutions, you take the exact weight of chemical. Otherwise, your molarity will change. Right? There is one crystal is removed. You need the 3.920 gram. Here is the 3.910. So add one crystal. Here is the exact weight of ferrous ammonium sulfate, 3.920 gram. Right? Then take this FAS to prepare standard solution of ferrous ammonium sulfate. Then first see which apparatus is required to prepare standard solution of FAS. First one you need the volumetric flask. This volumetric flask is of 100 ml. In this volumetric flask you will see there is one marking, and this marking indicates the exact 100 ml. Now see, this is your important apparatus, 100 ml of volumetric flask. Then second you require the 100 ml of beaker. Then you need the glass rod. Then you need the pipette. Then you also need the funnel to prepare the standard solution. Clear? Then there is a other chemical is also required, that is dilute H2SO4 is here. Then we have started the preparation of standard solution of FAS. First one, you take the volumetric flask. Now see, this all apparatus are cleaned by the distilled water. First, take the funnel and keep on the volumetric flask. Then add 3.920 gram of FAS in a one beaker. This beaker is cleaned by the distilled water. Then you add this crystals of ferrous ammonium sulfate in clean beaker. Then add small quantity of distilled water in it to dissolve the crystal of FAS. First you add the small quantity. You are not directly add the 100 ml of distilled water in beaker. You just add the small quantity and first dissolve it. See that FAS crystal is dissolved in distilled water, but there are some crystals are remaining. First you add this solution in the volumetric flask. Then see there are some crystals of FAS remaining in the beaker. Then first dissolve in small quantity of distilled water and then also add into the volumetric flask. See here. See here, there is no remaining crystal in the beaker. That means your total 3.920 gram of FAS is dissolved in distilled water and that present in a solution. Then see here, this is the solution of FAS, but this solution is slightly turbid. So you add the few drops of dilute H2SO4 in it. Right? To become the solution clear. Then shake the volumetric flask. Right? Then see, there is some solution stick on the funnel. So clean the funnel by the distilled water and then remove the funnel and close the cap of volumetric flask and then shake the volumetric flask. To make the solution homogeneous. बिकॉज आप लोग अगर अच्छे से शेक नहीं करोगे तो ऊपर का जो सॉल्यूशन रहेगा वो डाइल्यूटेड रहेगा और नीचे का कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड. यू रिक्वायर द मोलैरिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन 0.1. सो स्टर एग्जैक्टली. राइट? सी यहाँ पे एक भी क्रिस्टल नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. दैट मीन्स ऑल क्रिस्टल इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन डिस्टिल्ड वाटर. देन this is not your exact 100 ml of FAS solution because 100 ml indicated by the marking. So you add the distilled water up to the mark. Then see, we are adding the distilled water up to the neck. Then slowly reaches the mark. See here is the marking, but there are the two meniscus. You are see, one is the upper meniscus and there is a lower meniscus, but this lower meniscus is not touching the marking. Then there is a requirement of 1 or 2 drops of distilled water. Then how you add this 1 or 2 drops? There is a funnel, there is a pipette is given. Then use the pipette to add the 1-2 drops of distilled water. Then see, we are adding the 1-2 drops of distilled water to make exact molarity 0.1 molar. Slowly release and check. Now you see that lower meniscus is exactly touching to the marking and this is your exact 100 ml of 0.1 molar FAS solution. Then फिलहाल हम लोगों ने अभी डिस्टिल वाटर ऐड किया है तो ऊपर का जो सॉल्यूशन है वो डाइल्यूटेड रहेगा. देन मिक्स द सॉल्यूशन एग्जैक्टली. check this volumetric flask to make the solution homogeneous. Now see, this is the 100 ml of 0.1 molar FAS solution. नाउ रेडी टू यूज, नाउ रेडी टू यूज, ये मैंने क्यों बताया? Here is your activity number 6 is completed, but there is one titration of KMnO4 versus ferrous ammonium sulfate is given in your practical notebook, and this practical is coming in question number 2. Under that titration, there is a part is given to prepare the standard solution of FS. सेम यही सॉल्यूशन हम लोगों को उस एक्सपेरिमेंट में बनाना है और सेकंड पार्ट के लिए यूज करना है, राइट? हियर इज योर एक्टिविटी नंबर 6 इज कंप्लीटेड. क्लियर?